Hello everyone, I still remember my humble self, Chukwuka Obelago, and I am addressing the Billion Coin community, okay? This is going to be a very short video as I want to share you with every single person, both members of TBC and non-members of TBC, the membership chart of the community. Right now we have about 2.7, approximately 2.8 million verified members, okay, okay. And here in this map you can see the world map, and you will see the distribution of TBC members and also their concentration in certain countries, okay. And also among this current membership you can see the country which is the highest, which has the highest in membership, which is Nigeria, having about 1,285,000 members, okay. That is almost half of the community, okay, half of the community. Then we have Philippines second, Ivory Coast third, Bangladesh, Ghana, United States, Papua New Guinea, South Africa, India, Cote d'Ivoire, Cameroon, okay, down to the least countries where you have okay, let me scroll to the bottom of this. Okay, you have almost all the countries in the world, okay, with Vatican City having 6, Guinea-Bissau having 6, Timor-Leste 8, Korea 9, Moldova, Syria 15, South Sudan. So guys, we are growing, okay, we are growing as a country, as a community, but we need to spread further, okay, especially countries like Philippines that have population, countries like the United States, countries like South Africa, India, where which are one of the most populous nations in the world. Okay, we need to spread very fast in those locations, okay, if we want to achieve 1 billion members this year. Okay, so I don't know what the team leaders in those communities are doing, in those countries are doing, but whatever they are doing, they need to get their members, okay, to get to work. Okay, it's not only up to the members of these communities or the presence of the communities, but at the same time, every single person who is in this internet age can actually have members of get people to join TBC from these countries, okay. But having Nigeria having more than half of, or almost half of the membership is kind of on the one side, on one side, okay. So but this is the distribution. So if you are in your country, okay, this is your chance to get TBC. Share the free gift of that admin is giving out. Share the free gift of TBC. Then at the same time, when you're sharing the free gift of the admin that is giving out, you also put yourself in a position for people to come and buy more coins from you, okay, because they know that you deal on TBC, okay. All right, so to access this, okay, all you simply need to do is go to the Billion Coin app. Okay, go to the menu, go to the Billion Coin app, click on About Us. About Us is the it's just a portal to the billioncoin.info. So when you get to the billioncoin.info, all you have to do is just click on the menu and click on members. Okay, it's simple. Then you will see this chart. Okay, this is the distribution of TBC worldwide, and we still have a lot of work to do. I'm not seeing much of in Canada or some other countries in not seeing much in Russia, China, and the rest of them. Okay, so all right, so till I come your way next time, take care, bye for now. And also make sure you have download the Billion Coin mat. If you have a send button and you're looking for what to do with your send button, okay, I'm going to do a next video that's going to show you now I'm going to share with you what to do when you have a send button, because I got a funny question yesterday when somebody asked me that I have a send button now, what do I do? Okay, so there is the Billion Coin mat. You can go and download the app. It's available on Google Play Store, where you can shop and pay with TBC, full TBC, and also 50% TBC. All right, take care. Subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.